Jabra is back at CES this year, and it's got some new headsets to show off. Among them are a couple targeting business users. We'll start with a new pair of earbuds for the enterprise, and then we'll move on to the prosumer model. Over the last couple of years, Jabra has made sure that its enterprise headsets are both great for holding conversations and for listening to music. Released in Q4 of 2018, the Evolve 65T is sort of like an enterprise-grade version of AirPods. They're certified for the enterprise, specifically Skype certified for high-quality conferencing interactions. No fiddling around with Bluetooth settings on your laptop. Just plug in the USB connector and you're good to go. Based off a consumer device, Jabra upgraded the Evolve 65T's ability to filter out the noise around you in a busy office environment. Adam Robertson, Senior Product Marketing Manager at Jabra, explains.
One of the things we had to address in the voice performance, because Elite 65T is already very good because we had to work towards having your assistants and your voice calls work when you're in a busy street, out in public and all the rest, but then that changes when you're in an office environment. Voice and people's voices around you is a different type of noise. So for the Evolve 65T, in order to reach those Skype for Business certifications, we had to remodify the microphone, the sensitivity and the tuning around it, and rework the acoustic chambers so that we could get a different and actually a more improved level of voice capability.
The Evolve 65T is on sale now for $329 US or about $440 Canadian. The Evolve 65T isn't the only Jabra headset to integrate with AI assistants. The just announced Elite 85H connects with either Google Assistant, Alexa, or Apple Siri without the need to push a button. Users just ask for the voice assistant they want to talk to. This over-the-ear headset is geared towards commuters and office workers that work in a crowded environment. Jabra's hear-through technology lets you decide how much of the outside world you want to hear. So if you're commuting to work, you can keep awareness of the traffic around you. And when you're at your desk, you can totally tune out your boss. Jabra says that it uses context intelligence technology to analyze the environment around you and adapt its audio output accordingly.
The bare basis that experience is built off is obviously a over-the-head pair of ANC headphones, great active noise cancellation. There's a pair of 40mm drivers inside of this that gives you a great music experience. I've spoken about the 8 microphones. That's not just for measuring the ANC, but obviously when it comes to calls, again, there's 3 microphones on each side that you'll be using for that call experience.
The 85H will be available for pre-order in March and will ship in April at a price of $299 US or $399 Canadian. From CES 2019, I'm Brian Jackson reporting for IT World Canada. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos from the world's largest consumer electronics show.